It's awesome. Oh. Payphone, that's...
Hey, I got more customers coming in. Hey, been an all-day thing. I like this. Saw the flyers, right? Yeah, saw the sale going on. Everything is negotiable as long as you're not a dick. I would have to cut your face off. You know what I'm saying? Everything is a guarantee. If you need a trade in your teeth, you just see the barmaid in the back and she'll take care of you. Other than that, you have a great time. Hey, this guy thinks I'm funny. Yeah, this guy thinks I'm funny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I already lost a few teeth, so what's a few more? This guy's just hanging around. Nice.
A lost pumpkin seed for my pumpkin patch.
That's a very nice pumpkin patch. Oh, hello. He's here for my
Whatever you
teeth.
do, don't go in there if you want to lose your soul.
It's okay. I lost my soul a long time ago. It's fine.
Step right in, soulless man.
This is awesome. I like this a lot. This is... Ah!
Come with me so we can rot together.
All right. I'll come back in. Yeah, that's cool. Focus. Well, I'm glad nobody can jump out from over here.
When you get here, time to put your face on the wall.
Oh.
Come on, let me see it.
I haven't showered today. I'll come back later.
Come here!
Oh. Yes. I'll come. He's over there. I'll catch up. Interesting. These are the people who didn't pay. It's a big pumpkin.
Come with me so we can rot together. Don't touch my pumpkins! Don't touch them, or I'll make you into a human lantern!
Oh. Don't love that. Let's get out of here. Oh. Hello. Nice.
Pumpkin spice and everything dies! Come on, touch his pumpkins. Touch his pumpkins.
Oh.
I won't tell him if you won't. We can keep a dirty, dark secret, can't we? Can't we? Can I trust you? I'll chop your freaking head off. Don't
Okay.
lie to me. Don't lie to me.
No, I'll probably take them. So I.
You probably take them. No one likes things. You gotta buy something. Everything's on sale there. Everything's on sale. Fine. Get out if you don't want to buy something.
Okay.
Get the hell
Okay.
out.